Hey, so it's Wesley with WiseGuys Pro Wash. We're out here today at Holy Innocents Episcopal School. We're cleaning the exterior windows on 3 of their buildings on campus. This is the back of the Fine Arts building. So you can see Ned is cleaning the glass right now. He's using our pure water cleaning system that we have. We're cleaning with deionized water, so there's no particles in the water, 0 parts per million, no minerals. There's no iron, calcium, copper in the water itself. So when it dries spot free. It also takes out some of the human element of cleaning traditional style with a mop and squeegee. So you can see him right there. We're also cleaning, you can see this way, you can see one of our trucks right here. We're also cleaning the windows on the 2 lower school buildings as well. So that's what we have going on today.